Tired of your sales process feeling like herding cats? Then stick around because we're diving deep into Close CRM to see if it can finally bring order to your sales chaos. Hey everyone! Welcome to this detailed review of Close CRM, the customer relationship management platform that's specifically geared towards sales. Over the next minute and a half, we're going to dissect everything from its core features to its pricing, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your business. First, let's talk functionality. Close CRM shines when it comes to sales automation. Notice how we can visually track leads through each stage of the pipeline. This drag-and-drop interface makes managing deals incredibly intuitive. You can automate follow-up emails, schedule calls, and even create tasks based on specific triggers. This saves you time and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. Communication is key in sales, and Close CRM nails it. It seamlessly integrates with your email, allowing you to send and track messages directly within the platform. Plus, its built-in calling and SMS features mean you can connect with leads from anywhere, and all your interactions are logged automatically. Now, let's talk data. Close CRM offers robust reporting capabilities. You can generate detailed reports on sales performance, track key metrics, and identify areas for improvement. This data-driven approach empowers you to make informed decisions and optimize your sales strategy. Integration is another strong point. Close CRM integrates with a wide range of popular business applications like Zapier, Slack, and Google Workspace. This allows you to connect it to your existing workflow and avoid data silos. So, who is Close CRM for? Its scalability makes it suitable for both small startups and large enterprise organizations. However, its focus on sales-specific features means it's best for businesses where direct sales are a primary driver of revenue. Consider if the sales-focused approach lines up with your business model. Finally, let's address pricing. Close CRM offers different tiers based on the features you need and the number of users. Be sure to check out their website for the latest pricing information and compare it to your budget and requirements. There are many CRMs out there, so shop around for the best fit for your team. And that's a wrap on our Close CRM review. Hopefully, this has given you a clear picture of what this platform has to offer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CRM reviews and sales tips. Thanks for watching.